Today we will discuss about what is focus as well as principal focus, focal length and aperture. Okay, so what is focus or principal focus, focal length and aperture. Earlier we studied about, see, it is concave. Okay, this is pole, this one is center, and distance between the center and pole is, this is principal axis. Principal axis. Now suppose rays of sun are falling and this inside it is reflecting surface. This one is reflecting surface, inside it is reflecting surface. See, now how it will get reflected? This is concave mirror. So all the rays of sun will get merged at one point like this. Here all the rays will get reflected over here. Here, and actually what is this? This is bright spot. When the rays of sun will get reflected on this concave mirror, then all these rays will get reflected at one point. All the rays will seem to be merged at one point. सारी रेज यहाँ merge होगी इसकी after reflection. Okay, and here you will see bright spot is there. What is this spot? This bright spot is in itself image of sun. ये क्या है? इमेज, सन की इमेज बनती है यहाँ पर, ब्राइट स्पॉट दिखाई देगा वो, यही फोकस है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द फोकस एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एफ. दिस इज फोकस एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन the image and mirror, reflecting surface of mirror, is called focal length. So what is focus? Focus where image is formed. You can write it in this way. Where image object is formed by reflected rays of light. Okay, and what is focal length? Focal length is distance between the surface reflecting surface of mirror, that is mirror, and object, image. image of the object here. So focal length is distance between image and mirror. Okay. Now it is in case of concave mirror. Now we will discuss about the convex. This is convex. Here in case of convex, you will see the reflecting surface lies outward the center. Here it is pole, it is center. And this distance between center and pole is called principal axis. Here again, see, now rays are coming this way. Rays of sun are now they will get reflected like this, and you will see all the reflected rays in case of convex appear to seems to emitting from a given point, like here. All the rays which are getting reflected seems to be coming from a point, that is called focus of convex mirror. It is called the focus of convex mirror. Okay, in case of convex lens. Now comes what is relationship between the focus and center. Okay, what is relationship between focus and center? See, relationship between focus and center. Here focus this is principal axis from pole to center. It is called principal axis. The principal axis is twice of focus. Axis is ट्वाइस ऑफ फोकस, ये इसका डबल होता है फोकस का, जो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है ये. ठीक है. व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड पोल, एंड दिस पॉइंट लाइज बिटवीन एट द मिडल ऑफ द this one principal focus or principal axis lies here. Now what is aperture? Aperture क्या है? Aperture is the diameter of the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, what is spherical mirror has is circular from circular outline होती है इसकी, circular outline. Spherical mirror has circular outline, and like this if you see it in this is get spherical, and this one, this it is called the aperture. Suppose it is point O, then O to P, it is called aperture. Aperture is diameter of the spherical mirror. Diameter of spherical mirror. See again, you see parallel rays are there. Parallel rays of lights are falling on this convex lens, and these are getting reflected. Okay, these are getting reflected, and these reflected rays seem to be coming from a point which lies inwards. This point, this lies inwards. Okay, and in case of convex lens, the reflecting surface is outside the mirror, but that focus lies inside of the mirror. Okay, and in case of concave lens, focus lies inside the mirror. In case of convex also, it lies inside the mirror, but thing is, only difference is that the reflecting surface lies inwards of the concave lens, and here the reflecting surface lies outside the mirror, outward the mirror, like this. So what is focus? Focus or principal focus, where image of an object is formed. Image is, यहाँ इसकी इमेज बनती है, ठीक है, ये इमेज है, तो ये इमेज जहाँ बनती है वो इसका फोकस होता है. फोकस या प्रिंसिपल फोकस भी आप इसको कह सकते हैं. और जो फोकल लेंथ क्या है? फोकल लेंथ इज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मिरर, स्फेरिकल मिरर एंड द इमेज, वेयर इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड. सो हियर इमेज यहाँ बन रही है इसमें कॉन्वेक्स में, और इसमें इमेज यहाँ बन रही है. आज का यही है, फिर करेंगे इसको. बाय देन रिवाइज इट.